What's up, YouTube? And today I'm teaching you how you can build muscle pretty quickly. So first off, we got protein powder. You need protein powder. It's got 130 calories in it, 20 something grams of protein. It's really good. It's got animal based protein. They got whey, they got casein, they've got vegan, whatever you want, they got it. This has got beef protein, pea protein, brown rice protein, chicken protein, salmon protein, all of that. It's really good. Second thing you need, creatine. Creatine is very important for building muscle. It helps your strength, it helps you recover during your sets, and it retains water into your muscles, and it does not make you lose hair. A lot of people say it does. That's a side effect of it, but I've experimented with it. I've been taking it for around 5 to 6 months now. It does not hurt me. I have not lost any hair. You see all this hair? I haven't lost any. So, and also make sure you're drinking at least a gallon of water, if not more. That's all for today's video, but please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, you go check out my Instagram. It's in the description.